Torrential rain and snow is making it a miserable Easter Monday as thousands of Britons head home after the four-day weekend. Up to 6 inches of snow is forecast for much of Wales, northern England and Northern Ireland, while southern areas of England are being lashed by heavy rain. Some parts of the country could see as much as 70 millimeters of rain, and drivers returning home have been told to expect treacherous conditions on the roads. There are currently 196 flood alerts and 20 flood warnings in place, while downpours have left many roads submerged in water. Several sporting fixtures on Easter Monday have been called off while water has flooded train lines. The last time it snowed over Easter was in 2013. But fortunately the end of the week looks set to be far warmer, with the possibility of high teen temperatures in the south by Friday. Much of northern England and southern and central Scotland is covered by snow warnings. Temperatures dipped as low as -7°C, 19.4 F, in the Scottish Highlands overnight, while torrential rain moved in from the south and west as conditions turned milder. There are fears some rural communities could become cut off mainly across the northern Pennines and Scottish Borders as snow continues to fall. The cold and wet weather comes from a weather system traveling from the southwest. Heavy rain and strong winds across the south of England are slowly spreading northwards today. As it reaches colder conditions around the Midlands, it is turning to snow.This is causing delays on the roads, with vehicles becoming stranded, and there is also disruption to rail and air travel. The A616 in South Yorkshire is closed in both directions between A628 Hazelhead and A6102 Deepford. The A628 Woodhead Pass is closed in both directions due to snowy weather conditions between the A616 and A57. Four roads are also closed in Derbyshire: the A53 at Axedge, A54 A537 at the Cat and Fiddle, A57 Snake Pass and the A6024 at Holme Moss. Forecaster Helen Roberts said, "The main risk is rain. We have a number of warnings out at the moment, including a fairly large rain warning covering most of the country." It is going to cause problems for people traveling on Monday. There will be a lot of surface water on roads. She added, "There could be some disruption in the north. Further south it will be more of a transient feature, and not much settling on the roads." Snow is not uncommon in April, with the month seeing an average of 2.3 snow days each year. The AA has warned motorists to take extra care today as it's likely to be one of the busiest on the roads in recent years. This year, the UK saw a particularly cold spell as icy cold winds from Siberia carried heavy snow. The heavy snow, which fell and settled in large parts of the country, was dubbed the Beast from the East. But fortunately, warmer and more pleasant weather is expected later in the week. By Friday there is the possibility that temperatures in the south could climb into the late teens, said the forecaster.